This is how the Austing Racing will look on the motorcycle. Now this is the V3 Mini. Mini being it's a shorter can. The looks are very decent. It looks really nice. I mean, think about it this way, like once we remove this entire catalytic converter and just have the plain headers coming in with the mid pipe, this will look amazing. Okay, let's start the bike and see. So once the rev goes down, we are at 91 decibel, but I still want to like try 5000 RPM.